I am going to make a 3-ingredient vegan cookie. Okay, I'm going to start out with ripe bananas, 2 of them. I was asked on my other videos what nutritional yeast tastes like. Actually gives you a flavor when you're cooking with it and you like bake with it or whatever. It kind of gives you a cheesy flavor, but Parmesan cheese is about the closest I can think of what it tastes like. And I really like it. I like to sprinkle it on my spaghetti, on my lasagna, on my pizza, on my baked potato. Almost anything you can use this for. It's really good stuff. And yeah, it kind of tastes like Parmesan cheese a little bit. And then my other question, I think, was how long did it take me after I started on this about 12 years ago feeling better? And I would say probably within like 2 or 3 weeks, I noticed a difference when I ate this way, when I changed my diet. I felt so much better. I had a lot of energy, and I just felt so much better. Now this is vegan. These little morsels are made with Enjoy morsels, and they're vegan, and they don't have any dairy. That means they don't have anything artificial in them, and you can find them in your bakery aisle, and they're called Enjoy. So there's no egg in it. So what you want to do is you want to take your banana and you want to mash it up really, really fine. Okay. Mash it up really, really fine. I got 2 bananas in here. So I'm going to start out with about 1.5 cups of oats. I'll start up with a cup and I'll stir it up and see if I need more. But yeah, so very healthy. You don't add any sugar because your bananas is your sugar, okay? So your bananas is your butter and your banana is your egg. So you see, it's so cool. It's so cool. So you want to mix that around really, really good. Squish it, squish it, squish it. Okay. Okay. Then you're going to want to take a cup of your oats. And we'll start, like I said, with a cup. I think I'm going to need more than a cup, you see. But if you start out with too much, it's kind of hard to take it out of there, as you all know. So I'll start out with a cup, and then I'll add, I can add another cup for sure. Oh yeah. So 2 bananas, 2 cups of oats. And I use the old-fashioned oats. I like that. Gives your cookie a really hearty taste. Okay, so now you got that mixed up really good. And then I'm just gonna put in, I'm just gonna sprinkle in, not a whole lot, but it's up to you how many chocolate chips you want. That would be enough for us. See, we'll have a couple chocolate chips in each cookie for sure. And so, oh, they smell so good. Okay, so there you go. That's what your batter looks like. I think I'm going to add walnuts this time. A lot of times I'll add pecans because they're easier to chew for me, but my family likes walnuts, so I'll add a little bit of walnuts to the mix. And you can also replace this or add to this if you wanted to raisins. If you wanted to, or cran raisins or something like that. But I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it just like this. Okay, it is ready to be put on the pan. Hope I answered the questions that were left. If not, the next time I bake, I'll answer some more questions for you. We just really enjoy baking here at Mama's Kitchen. And we really enjoy bringing you into our home. Okay, my cookies are done. Don't they look good? You need to check out this recipe. If you're a diabetic, this is wonderful. This has no sugar in it. It's all natural sugar because it's banana. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today, and have a wonderful night. Bye.